Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious scrambled eggs. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, a small amount of butter, salt, and pepper. You will also need a non-stick pan and a rubber spatula. For each serving, plan on using 2 or 3 large eggs. This simple method ensures a perfect breakfast every time. Next, crack your eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Now, whisk the eggs vigorously for about 30 seconds. This thorough whisking combines the yolks and whites completely and incorporates air, which is key to achieving that wonderfully light and fluffy texture we all love in scrambled eggs. Now, place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is foamy, pour in your whisked eggs. Let them set for about 15 seconds without stirring. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this process. Continue gently folding the eggs until they are mostly set but still slightly moist. This is crucial. Remove the pan from the heat just before they look completely done. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook them to perfection, preventing them from becoming dry. Serve your delicious, fluffy scrambled eggs immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.